Facing up to an altogether different hurdle. Oscar Pistorius can, for the moment at least, put his murder trial to one side. His immediate focus now is on his upcoming psychiatric test that he's been ordered by the court to undertake. This is the likely facility where Pistorius will be evaluated, Vescopi's Psychiatric Hospital in Pretoria. The order that the athlete should undergo mental observation appeared to completely wrong-foot the defence.
I think it was a surprise to them, which it shouldn't have been, because Section 78 of the Criminal Procedure Act is very clear that if it is alleged in any time throughout the trial, then the court has a burden on them to refer the person and ensure that this person is in fact in a mental state that he can understand what is going on. The problem is they didn't foresee this.
Lead prosecutor Harry Nell called for the mental evaluation after defence witness Dr. Meryl Forster claimed Pistorius was suffering from general anxiety disorder. But the decision by Barry Rue, Pistorius' senior counsel, to call for a psychiatrist at the stage he did was a surprise to some legal experts.
Well, there's two options. They can either bring it in as a defence in the beginning of the trial, and then they will obviously plead that he had a diminished capacity or that he didn't understand what was going on. Had it really been that she came in after he was found guilty and in mitigating circumstances, I think it would be more understandable. We could have foreseen why it was necessary for them to bring her in at that time, and for them to send Oscar to her and to do an evaluation of him. It does seem strange at this stage.
Pistorius claims he mistook his girlfriend Reva Steenkamp for an intruder when he shot 4 times into his bathroom door. Nell poked holes into that version of events when the athlete took the stand. But all is not yet lost for the defence team as they continue to lead evidence.
In the end of the day, Barry Rue must now, I think, go and sit back and see whether he's gone through the whole evening. Did he go through all the different aspects of the crime? Did he cover everything that the state has brought and say, well, this is what happened? To some extent he did. He brought in the neighbours who said they didn't hear anything, they didn't hear a woman scream, they only heard a man scream. So he's covered some of the aspects, but it seems as if he has to go and sit with all these expert reports and try and compile a sort of a midfield of where everybody is.
Well, on Tuesday, Oscar Pistorius will return to this court when he will then find out the conditions of his psychiatric testing. It will, of course, bring a halt to proceedings, but if nothing else, it would give the defence time to reassess as they look to get their case back on track. Dan Williams, CCTV, Pretoria.